Every dream deserves the right destination, every ambition deserves the right guidance, and every student deserves an institution that transforms potential into success. Welcome to NSIT Bihta Patna, where education meets innovation, excellence meets opportunity, and dreams begin their journey towards reality.
Located in the educational hub of Bihta, Patna, NSIT stands as the symbol of quality education, discipline, innovation, and career oriented learning. With modern infrastructure, experienced faculty members, advanced laboratories, and a student focused environment, NSIT nurtures talent and prepares future professionals for the challenges of tomorrow.
So, we are producing engineer also with human values. And I believe in this mantra, Vidya Dadati Binyam, Binnadati Patratam, Patratva Dhanmapanoti, Dhanardham Tata Sukham. यदि विद्यार्थी विद्या की जर्नी को स्टार्ट करना चाहता है तभी उसको सुख मिलेगा और विद्या और सुख के बीच में अनुशासन की पात्रता की बात है इस श्लोक में जो इसको फॉलो करेगा वही सफल होगा थैंक यू
At NSIT, we believe education is not only about degrees but about building confidence, skills, values, and leadership.
Hi everyone, my name is Gargi Singh. I am a second year BTech student. I choose this place, never look back. I came here to grow, not just to pass. My batch made me, your batch will make you. The best decision I make was walking through that gate. Choose NSIT.
At NSIT, learning goes beyond textbook. Our academic framework combines theoretical understanding with practical exposure, ensuring that the students gain the real-world knowledge for engineering and technical educations to professional skill development. We focus on creating industry-ready graduates.
Our institute is committed to deliver quality education, practical exposure, and value-based learning to empower students to achieve success in their career and life. We believe in nurturing young minds through academic excellence, innovation, discipline, and holistic development. NSIT provides a platform where students can grow academically, professionally, and personally with experienced faculty members and modern learning facilities. We try continuously to prepare students for future challenges and
A great learning environment inspires great minds. NSIT offers state-of-the-art labs, well-equipped classrooms, digital learning resources, library facilities, comfortable hostel, transport facilities, and a safe student-friendly environment campus.
Hey there, hello everyone. This is Suraj Arya from BTech CSC 4th SEM. If you really want to do engineering, then NSIT is the very best choice for you because attendance is mandatory here than the other colleges that impact on a student to increase learning.
Life at NSIT is not limited to academics. We believe in holistic development of every student through sports, cultural activities, technical events, and personal development programs. Orientation are the significant part of the journey at NSIT, where every student is motivated and guided through the path of success.
Success begins with preparation. NSIT focuses on career development through training programs, industrial interaction, skill enhancement workshop, and placement support to prepare students for professional excellence.
At NSIT, education is not just taught, it is experienced. Here, dreams are encouraged, talent is nurtured, and future are built with experienced faculty, quality education, modern facilities, and a student-oriented approach. NSIT is committed to empowering tomorrow's leader. Your future starts with the choice you make today. Choose excellence, choose opportunity, choose success. Join the journey of learning, innovation, and achievement at NSIT Bihta, Patna. Admissions open now.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditi Singh and I am BTech second year student. NSIT doesn't just prepare us for exams, it prepares us for real life. From skills to personality development, we learn here how to build our future. We doesn't just study for exam purpose, we study to build our dreams and career.
Before joining NSIT, I was very shy and introvert. But after participating in seminar, debates and more cultural activity, I have lost my all the stage fights and I became much more confident.
Yes, NSIT teaches us the whole syllabus, and I became.
Hello viewers, myself Vaishnavi from BCA of NSIT Beta. We are examinations, we discovering who we are, discovering skills just not matter. It's we are no fake promises, just real growth, real friendship, and a leader cup for whatever comes first. This is our journey. This is NSIT.
When I first came to NSIT campus, this is the place where I can truly shape my future, and their environment here is very positive and motivating, and our seniors are very cooperative and make their project and
Hello everyone, this is Khushi Yadav from the BCA department of Netaji Subhas Institute of Technology, Beta. Being here is a mixture of emotions, like you every day learn new things and socialize with people. Even you are sometimes very stressed for the project submission, but in the end, the hard work pays off. And the labs and infrastructure here are very well, as the NSIT structure focuses on practical with the theoretical knowledge.
Hello everyone, myself Ayushi. Just be real for a second. Choosing a college is just not about putting any name on a resume. It is actually something you are building for your future.
Hello everyone, I am Saurabh Kumar from Netaji Subhas Institute of Technology. Here, students are encouraged to explore new ideas and shape into reality. And the students get well-equipped lab, playground facilities, and lush green campus to put your mind at ease.
Hello everyone, my name is Jyoti from NSIT Beta. Here my experience overall good. Our faculty members are supportive and we got so much of opportunity. But we need improvement in some areas like management.
Hello everyone, I am from NSIT Beta. Here I am sharing about my experience and exposure what I gained in Netaji Subhas Institute of Technology in this college. These facilities here are providing us various types of information and giving us proper knowledge.